in your opinion, how can artificial intelligence help bridge cultural gaps and foster greater understanding between different communities around the world?
As a matter of fact, inflection AI are very essential to our. As a student, I believe that artificial intelligence are very important in difference of our community in a way that we can gain a knowledge from it, and we can in that knowledge we can learn, and through learn we can take that learning from others. And I believe that since artificial intelligence are here, we should need to know the advantage of it, and I believe that's the answer of it. Thank you.
How can you be a vessel of change towards attaining development of your community?
Thank you for that very interesting and relevant question. As a youth, I would become an asset of my community. True, first is of course becoming a law-abiding citizen, as well as of course supporting my own incredibly culture, as well as of course I would also promote our local product here in Zuyu. And this is my ways to contribute for a better community. And of course, we Suyunyan plus Suyunyan plus the cooperation, as we all have a good local governance, plus we Suyunyan, for sure we can make Napintas Suyo into more Napinpintas Pai Suyo. Thank you.
Thank you very much. How important is the culture or tradition of your municipality to the development of tourism?
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for that wonderful question, sir. I believe culture is important to us, especially we Suyunyan, because our culture is our old doings, since even in our kahit sa ating mga ninuno, minanapat natin ito sa ating ninuno. At mapopromote po natin ito sa ating tourism sa pamamagitan ng pagpatuloy at palaging pagpatuloy sa pag-aaral nito kung ano ang importance ng ating culture as a Suyunyans para po ma-promote sa ibang nasyon, lalo na po sa ating Napintas Suyo.
As a young ambassador, how would you inspire your fellow youth to become more socially responsible?
Thank you, Ma'am, for that wonderful question. I believe if I show or if I become a role model towards other people, especially the teenagers out there, about my actions, about good actions, about my moral values, and I think within that simple actions, teenagers out there will imitate my actions by witnessing that to me. Thank you and good evening po.
As a youth, how can you promote the beauty of Suyo into a tourist?
So thank you for that beautiful question, ma'am. And again, a pleasant evening to all of us. As a Suyunyan or as an active social media user, I can promote the tourism by using social media platforms such as making reels or posting reels in Facebook, contenting tourism in our Suyo, in our town. Also vlogging, mini vlogging in blog and in YouTube, or making content in TikTok, promoting how beautiful our natural tourist spot and human-made tourist spot in Suyo. Thank you.
With the rise of social media, how do you think digital platforms are shaping the future of global tourism?
Good evening, sir. Thank you for that wonderful question. I think the rise of social media nowadays can really influence how to shape the future generation of global youth. And I believe that with social media, it can influence the youth in a good way, wherein they can share their advocacies that can encourage other youths to participate in the rising of our community. And as of now, as the Suyo is a first-class community because of the resilience and because of the unity of people. And I believe it takes social media a help in giving us the first-class community. Thank you.
Beauty pageants nowadays are no longer just a showcase of beauty, body, and wit, but they have become platforms of advocacies. Do you think an advocacy is a prerequisite to becoming a beauty queen? Why or why not?
Thank you for that very interesting question. I believe that pageant is very powerful platform for us nowadays. We in a very such young age, I believe as an educator, this platform is very important to us. Why? As a future educator, I believe that I can influence other younger generations of our municipality and teach them what is the significance of what we are doing right now. And I believe through this, we can make and we can build a more progressive and a more active Napintas soon. And that will be all. Thank you.
What do you think is the biggest challenge facing the youth of the 21st century? And how can they overcome it to create a brighter future for the next generation?
The youth is facing today is teenage pregnancy. As it has been seen by the Department of Health that the cases of teenage pregnancy nowadays is really alarming. And tonight, I will take actions by encouraging everyone and educating them and as a nursing student, I want everyone to be conscious on what they are doing and through this platform, I know that we can do so much more together. As an empowered woman, I believe that combining our voices together and through collaborative, we can transform our municipality not only in Napintas Suyo, but as a Napintas Pai as Suyo. Thank you so much.
I think the biggest problem the 21st century youths are facing is about managing their mental health, wherein we all know that our studies are hard, but then if we have perseverance to achieve our goals, whereas to graduate and to give the diploma that our parents are waiting for. And I believe that as a nursing student, I am proud to say that I made it to my capping, and I am expecting that for 2 years to come, I will achieve my graduation and of course to get the license of being a registered nurse. And for that, I hope that my family will be proud of me, and I thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe as a normal, also a youth, we are facing such different adversities in our lives. And I believe the 21st experience of the people back then is that we need inspirations to get, and also I believe that we can empower them that challenges in our life is just a wake-up call for us. And I believe that if we use this as a weapon to fight and to succeed in life, and I believe we can succeed all in many ways we can do for a brighter future. And that will be all. Nabintas Narabi, and I thank you.
Number
Our Miss Suyo Tourism 2024 is